This is Murthy.
Hi, I am Anirudh.
Hi, this is Priya.
Hi, this is Nitya.
Hi, this is Vaitish.
Hi, Ketan.
Hi, this is Rudula.
Hello, I'm Naveen.
Hello everybody, my name is Ritu Joshi and I would like to thank you for being here. Today we are going to talk about hurricane preparedness. What is hurricane? Before we get in definition, I would like to let you know the entire source of my research is from the website National Hurricane Center's website. So, what is hurricane? Hurricane is a storm with a violent wind and exceeds 74 miles per hour. I want you to imagine when the car passes close on you on a 40-mile zone, we feel shaken. Our maximum traffic speed limit is 70 miles on the highway and we thought that is fast. Hurricane is faster than that. The minimum speed for a hurricane is 74. Let's talk about categories and effects of hurricane. There are 5 categories of hurricanes. Category 1. In this category, the winds are between 74 to 95 miles per hour. There will be damage of unoccurred mobile homes, shrubs, trees. There will be no structural damage. Category 2. In this category, the wind are between 96 to 110 miles per hour. There will be damage to windows, roofs, shrubs, some trees, and road sign will be blown down. There will be some damage of mobile homes. Category 3. In this category, the winds are between 111 to 130 miles per hour. There will be lot of roof damage, lot of shrubs and trees blown down heavily. There will be extensive damage to mobile home. Category 4. In this category, the winds are between 130 to 155 miles per hour. There will be all sort of structural damage and mobile homes will be completely destroyed. Category 5. In this category, the winds are 155 miles per hour and above. Yeah, it is very hard to imagine living during that time. There will be a complete roof damage on many residents and complete destructions of mobile homes. Now that we have learned different categories of hurricane, its destruction and its destructions, there are few questions that comes to our mind, such as how can I protect myself and my home? What kind of food can I store for emergency? How do I prepare for alternative electricity? How do I find the nearest government facility for aid? Though the primary. So let's talk about how can I protect myself and my home. There are many things you can do to protect you and your property. Install shutters and all the windows. This will ensure that the windows are not broken during the hurricanes. Cutting down weak trees and limbs. Bring in all the furniture from patio and around the house. Instruct your neighbors to do the same. Do not move out home unless mandated by the county. Watch out for snakes, alligator when you step out. Also check if the electric poles are intact. If not, do not step out. Let's talk about preparing for alternative electricity. Generators are the most common way of alternative emergency when regular power is lost. Then there are batteries, gas, power stoves, candles and lighters are must during dark times. And an emergency light will be great help during these times. A big chest of ice will help to store any preserved food for at least few days. Talking about food, there are some food that we must have handy during hurricanes. Water, make sure you have at least a 1 gallon of water per person a day for 7 days. Canned meat, canned fruits are best way to get nutrition to our body. Milk supplements and canned baby foods are important if you have kids. Another important thing is to have lot of plastic bags or ziplocs to store the food. Finally, I would say that it's always better to print out or write down the list of evacuation sites ahead of times. Local officials usually announce the nearest shelters during disaster. Have a battery-powered radio handy and listen to the news often. Before you evacuate, make sure you take your identification if possible. Do following: take pair of clothes. Shirts and sweatshirts always take less space. Take an important document such as social security card, proof of residence, certified insurance, certificates, insurance, and etc. Switch off main electricity and water lines. There are many more things that person can do prevent themselves during hurricane. Please visit the website www.nhc.noaa.gov. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your participation. Thank you very much.